India is one of the fastest developing nations in the world and the second most populous country in the world. Inadequate medical facilities and lack of health awareness in masses increase the burden of malnutrition, reproductive morbidity and epidemic, resulting in preventable deaths. There was an urgent need to spread the birth control, personal health and family health awareness program on a national level. A mammoth task considering the huge size of the Indian population, varying levels of literacy, hundreds of different languages, cultures and traditions.
HLL Lifecare Limited, a Government of India enterprise, addressed this by launching Hindustan Latex Family Planning Promotion Trust or HLFPPT, a non-profit organization in 1992, which was registered under the Travancore Cochin Charitable Trust Act. Our corporate office is based at Noida and we operate through more than 14 regional offices strategically spread across India.
Our professionals use technical expertise of social marketing, public health, program management, community development, capacity building, research, reproductive and child health, branding and product development, monitoring and evaluation, and hospital management. Our field of work involves reproductive health, STI, RTI, HIV, AIDS prevention, care, support and treatment, social marketing of health products, social franchising, family planning, lifestyle and vector-borne diseases. Numerous government departments and private organizations that have collaborated with us are through social marketing, our distribution network gives direct touch with the end users. Healthcare workers were identified in villages and branded as Tarang Partner, who promote condoms, oral contraceptives, sanitary napkins and other healthcare products.
Through this network of over 40,000 Tarang partners, the condom use increased by 18% and pill usage increased by 34%. Over the last 2 decades, we have also made significant contribution to the growth of Deluxe Nirod, a Government of India-owned brand of condom.
Our Pura Grameen Bazaars, rural health kiosks give counseling as well as sell the products. Here, information on reproductive and child health, HIV and products through Tarang partners is also given. We achieved the condom sales of over 151 million pieces through over 197,000 outlets under the targeted social marketing NACO condom promotion program. Aimed at reducing diarrheal deaths amongst children aged 2 to 59 months, we socially marketed 50,000 ORS and 29,000 zinc tablets. The program touches over 180,000 homes. The Urban Health Initiative is focused to improve health of the urban poor, implemented in 11 cities. We are empowering female sex workers with female condoms, the only female-initiated HIV prevention method currently available in 13 states of India. Over 291,000 female sex workers reached in 128 high-risk districts. Standard Days method for contraception introduced via the Ritumala Cycle Beads project into the high fertility and low contraceptive prevalent districts has trained over 300 community health volunteers and has over 3,000 regular users. We have initiated programs using public-private partnership models under social franchising, Marigold Health Network to improve the maternal and child health scenario.
With over 70 Marigold hospitals and over 371 Mary Silver clinics in 35 districts, we are working in the remote village level locations with village level health workers promoting institutional deliveries and family planning.
This program has helped achieve over 132,000 institutional deliveries and has increased acceptance of intrauterine device and sterilizations.
Nischay, our home-based pregnancy test card under National Rural Health Mission, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, was introduced through ASHA workers in 12 states and union territories to address the issue of low percentage of women starting antenatal care in first trimester due to late detection.
Sankalp, meaning resolution, is strengthening the health service delivery for insured persons This project benefits over 195,000 persons insured through Employees State Insurance Corporation in Karnataka and over 329,300 in Uttar Pradesh. We give technical assistance and training both at provider level and at the community level. A total of over 1,222,636 persons were trained in reproductive and child health (HIV). Our mobile health clinics project is helping quality OPD, reproductive and child health services by reaching the remote, inaccessible and underserved areas in Tehri and Chamoli districts of Uttarakhand since 2005.
Technical support group for condom promotion was established to provide techno-managerial support to NACO, with over 8 social marketing organizations in 26 states.
The overall market growth of condom has increased by 59%, which comprises 81% growth in the rural area. A total of 1,200 million pieces of condoms have been sold out through 1 million outlets.
Under PACT, we provide care and support to over 48,000 people living with HIV/AIDS by establishing over 26 community care centers.
Our Swagati project provides HIV prevention and healthcare services to over 23,000 female sex workers, over 5,000 MSM, and empowered 23 community-based organizations. We have developed training manuals and communication modules for a wide range of issues in the ambit of our field of work. Our e-learning program enables capacity building of healthcare professionals across the globe. Our CSR partnerships are community health intervention projects to improve the health and nutritional status of women and children and create additional goodwill in the community, protecting mothers and the future generations. Hindustan Latex Family Planning Promotion Trust means touching lives with quality care, compassion and effective services.